Did you know the youngest woman ever executed for Nazi war crimes was only 22 years old? Irma Grese looked like any ordinary young woman, but behind her appearance hid a monster that shocked even hardened SS officers. At concentration camps like Auschwitz and Bergen-Belsen, Grese carried a whip and pistol as she personally chose prisoners for the gas chambers. Survivors described how she tortured women with her bare hands and trained attack dogs to attack inmates for her own sick entertainment. What made her truly terrifying was the pleasure she took in watching people suffer. She would spend hours near the gas chambers listening to the screams of dying prisoners. Her cruelty knew no bounds. She forced people to stand naked in freezing weather for hours, beat pregnant women until they lost their babies, and selected victims simply because she was jealous of their beauty. When the war ended in 1945, her trial revealed the full extent of her systematic brutality. At just 22, she became the youngest woman executed for Nazi war crimes, proving that evil has no age limit.